Welcome back. Now, in order to deliver a webinar experience, you will need to have a video that you are going to autoplay, that you're going to upload to system.io, or you're going to link to it on YouTube. To start the website experience, you'll need to go to the sales funnel area and click on Create a Sales Funnel. What you'll notice is that there's an element called Run an Evergreen Webinar. The webinar experience in System means that an individual is going to land on a page, there's going to be a brief countdown, and then the video is going to autoplay for your customer to watch. It is meant to be an automated process. So you will click on Run an Evergreen Webinar. You will then set your currency and then click Save. What you should see at this point will be 3 new pages to customize. And we will undertake this process in the next video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next video.